This gotta go back in here. I gotta be careful of this. These are the washers for it. I gotta be careful of those. So
feel alive again. My world is full of joy and happiness. Hope you feel the same. Leave your troubles behind, it's a brand new day. Don't be afraid. Let's run away. Close your eyes and take the trip to the other side. Baby, dream.
the smell of rust.
You don't have to be alone anymore.
Walking around now. Alright, so if you remember kind of what it looked like before, yeah, it's just scratches. If you remember what this looked like before, that's all cleaned up now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how to set these right. Because they keep popping out of gear. Now, there's that. If you notice how much I went through and cleaned inside of there, I know there's still dirt, but good enough to hold paint for as long as I'll probably be alive. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and, after I got done with all that, get this out of here. Let's throw that down. And see how much of this I can clean out. Oh, yeah, muddy. Maybe a rag would work better. Yeah, that's better. Don't really think I need to clean this out a whole lot. I know a lot of people who are going through and trying to restore the entire tractor. They'd go through and soak this all down and clean it out, get all the oil out. I don't think it matters. I mean, it's not like any sort of liquids go inside of here. Well, that's okay. Liquids go inside of here. I'm just trying to get this back running again and maybe make it look a little better. Whew. Yeah. Oh, holy crap. Alright.
Feel alive again. My world is full of joy and happiness. Hope you feel the same. Leave your troubles behind.
I figured this thing was orange. You can see how it got painted red, but it used to be orange. If I was doing this right, I would have repainted it orange, but you know what, I grabbed red paint. You know what the heck? What the heck, what the hey?
Let the magic be your guide, be the love dreaming. You don't have to
Never figured I'd see color in here. Yeah, this is working pretty dang good. Ugh.
yeah, yeah. So fly, close your eyes and take a trip to the other side. We be dreaming. Let the magic be your guide, be the love dreaming.
No idea how many years this motor, how long whoever had this before me ran it with the front main seal gone and rear main seal. It just made oil splash all over the place. Jeez, this stuff is just caked on.
Got my sweatpants on and there's a sofa that's screaming my name. But someone comes a knocking, it's some crazy girls rocking so much.
I don't know, somebody might actually leave me a comment. Of course, they're probably just gonna say, you're doing it wrong. Hey man, you was doing it wrong. Oh my gosh. This tractor has had so much freaking cleanup. Like when I got it, I mean, you can imagine when I first got it, which I think I showed pictures of that in the video. I think that's it for now. For this. I'm gonna clean this up real quick.
Get it done. We're gonna sing too loud, swear like sailors, dance on tables, chug some brew, smoke cigarettes in leather pants, get a disapproving glance or two. The darlings will do us, and you do you. We've been feasting, pawing the dirt. Gonna charge the gates and run again and again.
Now it's, let me see. Now it's all nice and cleaned up. No more real major rust spots, but no more rust areas. Maybe I'll use some painter's tape and put on this until I can get back out here. Oh, this is a good idea. I might go ahead and get that pressure plate on. Right now I'm working on cleaning up the cylinder head to get it ready to reinstall. Oh, make sure if you're doing it this way with a brush and whatever, don't have your sleeve or whatever down so that the brush can catch on to it.
Gates and run again and again. It seems like the man get to go and have all the fun. So call it our fight for equal rights, 'cause tonight's our night to go get it done. So call it our fight for equal rights, 'cause tonight's our night to get it done.
There's a place I know. I think I'll go there soon. See that little girl throwing darts up at the moon. There's a river with a strange name and a cold with deep blue eyes. They're running
I'm gonna be repainting it, so I gotta leave that gasket on so that it doesn't. Don't have to worry about covering it over with paint or tape or whatever. So there's so many screws, just weird screws in odd places on this tractor. I figured out what a few of them are. You know, like the coolant pressure release or whatever. But that one, anybody knows? What the heck is that one for? Let me know. Thanks.
I turned the TV on. I saw a politician waving his left hand in the air. I turned the TV off, 'cause I don't really care. Oh, Camellia, don't you stay so far away. I've come this far and now I've got to see you. Oh my goodness, you're the needle in the hay. My bleeding fingers let me know I found you. You were standing in the garden with a flower in your hair. There were storm clouds above you. You were taking off your sandals. You were walking up the stairs. Now I know that I love you. I was fighting with forces I could not control. I just want you to know now. I was riding dark horses and riding alone. Now I'm back in the crowd. That picture on the wall, it's from 1993. That was right before it all came crashing down on me. There's a ruby in my throat, and there's silver in my